Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. What are you thinking that what am I wearing and why am I shooting like this? Because this is the new normal. You cannot live, you cannot go out without a mask. This is a mandate now. I had shared a few pictures on my Instagram feed right here. I'm sure you must have seen that. Now we are going to use a lot less of lipsticks and more of eye makeup, and I'm just trying to be artistic here. No offense to anyone, please don't judge me, but with this video I just want to create awareness that mask is a must. Mask it up with Khushi. So without further talking, let's first jump into this look or the other look. Let's get started. Okay, hello again. So for the first makeup look, I have completed my base makeup and I will right away move into the mask. First I'll wear the mask, you must too. I have done my eyebrows and I've taken this palette and my makeup brush basket. If you have seen my previous video on makeup brushes, you would know this. Now taking an orange shade which I will put all over my lid and slowly build it up in both my eyelids. This is going to form the base color for the rainbow eyes. Now this is complete, and now I will take a magical ingredient of this makeup look, that is an earbud, and I have also created a video for earbuds specially. I'm going to link it here. Now I've wet the earbud with some water spray and I'm taking my favorite liquid lipstick by NYX to create this first few dots on my eyes. I'm just going to create random dots with random colors and then build up a canvas on my eyelids, taking green, yellow and just dotting it over my eyes. And now to pop up and amp up the look, I am taking more bright shades, then build it up slowly and steadily and be your own artist. Create what you want, wear your mascara, and that's it. See, this is how it has turned out. I have shot it twice. These pictures which you are seeing are from day one. How do you like it? Moving on to look number 2. So for this I have taken this beautiful violet and white color face mask and again taking my favorite liquid lipstick, but this time I am taking two shades, one from NYX and one from a random brand. Of course we need a mirror and all we got to do is create stripes, slanted stripes with one color at a time. Light purple, deep purple, light purple, deep purple. Yes, that's simple. You just need to keep your hand a bit steady, and here you go. This is the finished look. Very simple. After wearing mascara and everything, it is all complete and I am quite happy with it. See the pictures and enjoy and let me know how do you like this look. Time for the final look, and this one I'm using a yellow mask, tying up my hair because yes, we are going to need a lot of concentration, and using the same old palette by NYX. Thank you so much for creating this rainbow palette. I am super thrilled to use it so much during the lockdown. And this time I'm going to create a yellow base which is going to match my mask, and then we are going to create a graphic eye. You must have seen my Instagram post and a lot of you liked it. See, this is how it has built up so beautifully. I totally love the bright yellow eyes, and we are going to use very affordable Lakme liners for creating this look. I got inspired to create this look from a fellow Instagrammer. I have mentioned her handle on my Instagram post, so do check out my Instagram post and see from where I have got this inspiration. It was a beautiful graphic eye creation with my own touch. I'm going to give it a double graphic liner look. First I'm going to create the black ones as you can see on both my eyes, and slowly and steadily we are going to complete it. It's very simple. You just have to keep your hand steady, rest it on your face, on your cheeks, and that's about it. We have finished our first layer, that is the first line with black, and now I'm going to take this beautiful blue eyeliner from Lakme and I'm going to just create a double line beneath every black line I have created. I hope that makes sense to you guys. So just create blue lines either above or below the black line and create a pattern of your own.
If you make any mistakes, just try it out. If you make any mistakes, just use a small beauty blender or a brush and makeup remover and clear out the mistakes. I mean, not the mistakes exactly, but the residue on your eyes. Use mascara, some kajal to pop up the look, and that's about it. We have completed the final look and this looks really sleek and nice. Try it out on your usual makeup looks. Graphic liners definitely make a difference, and now definitely I'm going to click some pictures for the Instagram, and you got to follow me there. Watch the pictures here and enjoy. And if you create any of these looks, don't forget to tag me.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in a new video super soon. Thank you so much for watching. Watch my other videos. Bye.